Hey Buttercups! Welcome to our channel. I'm Kat.
And I'm Sarah.
And we're the Buttercup sisters.
We wanted to introduce ourselves and let you know that we'll be posting videos every single Monday on this channel.
Yep, and we are planning to do really fun content. Things like trying new products and also new challenges that you guys would recommend to us.
Stay tuned for this Monday's video. We had a lot of fun making it.
Yeah, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. Again, we will be posting videos every Monday starting this Monday. You can also follow us on our social medias below in the meantime so that you can get to know us a little bit, ask us some questions. But that's pretty much it. We just wanted to say hi and introduce ourselves, and we hope that you enjoy the rest of your week, and we will see you on Monday. Bye!
Bye, Buttercups.
Goodbye, Buttercups.
Buttercup? Don't call them all Buttercups.
Okay, I'm sorry, Buttercup.
Okay.
Bye, Buttercup. Love you, Buttercup. Goodbye.
This Monday's video, we had a lot of fun